this court and give you.
Gie kinde no Senator ma Kilifi mabende en jatend kweth manok e od bura ma Senet Stewart Mazayo okwedo obila kuom tiyo gi teko mang'eny e keyo jong'anyo. Okwedo meko ma jotelo kod johera mag Azimio kolero ni mago timore tok chik.
We've regressed back. We've gone back to the old days. The old days of the Moi era, where whenever a Kenyan used to speak, you have to look behind your shoulders to see whether someone else is listening. We are no longer like an independent country. This is a state which is captured. Parliament has been gagged. We have seen it. Bills are being enforced on Kenyans. Whether there's absolutely no substantive debate that takes place in Parliament. Members of Parliament have been arrested here. You cannot arrest her. You can arrest, you can question, but a public figure like the Speaker of the County Assembly of Kilifi, while he's conducting what he believes is his constitutional right to picket and present a petition, is arrested.
Kapod wamenyo midhiero mang'anyo ma Kisumo